subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friend, today we'll see how to turn on desktop view in Safari browser on iPhone. So click on your Safari browser and let us see, select the new tab so that we know whether it is a mobile view or a desktop view. So I search anyone and you can see here my phone is browser is in mobile view. For making a desktop view, go to your setting option and select the Safari app to open a setting for desktop. Tap on to request a desktop website. Tap on and turn on all website buttons for desktop views. Let's go back to the Safari browser and open a new tab. Let's see if it appears in the desktop version. Click on Google search. Now here we see a desktop view appear on your browser. If you like my video, please subscribe, share it with your friends and leave your feedback in the comment box to make more videos like this. We meet in next video. Thank you and bye bye.